Hi, it's good to be here at Eurosatory 2024. It's certainly turning out to be a very robust show and a very busy one for us. I'm Todd Sturtzinger. I'm the CEO of Galvion. Galvion produces head protection and power and data systems, predominantly for the dismounted warfighter, intended to really provide an integrated soldier system platform. Alan, the latest news of Galvion, we just announced before the show, we're very excited about the progress we have made on our Poland facility. We announced last September that we were expanding into Poland as part of our European growth and expansion strategy. Very critical for us that we're in Gdansk, Poland. We just reached a critical milestone phase of having licensing and certifications for trading, occupancy, and production. We expect we will have a fully operational facility in the autumn of this year, just in a few months away, and we've already started hiring our team. We see a significant growth in Europe. In the next few years, we will be at a point where we'll have close to 1.5 million helmets and head systems installed in Europe. And a lot of that is because of our framework contract with NSPA. Yes, there are competitors in our sector, and the product is very, very unique because of the way we go about designing our product. We really start with the end user, the human. The human is absolutely essential when we design our product. So if you want the most stable and highest performing helmet on the market, you're going to get our flagship Cayman helmet, which is the helmet on the NSPA contract. Sure, the power and data systems is the ability to take and manage power and data in a body-worn or an expeditionary fashion. Very important. As you know, power is a very difficult challenge on the battlefield. One of the very unique products we just announced is called our Edge, EDG, which is a scalable power for the warfighter, particularly for head-mounted systems. This system is a scalable power system, which is a battery that we have the ability to have a single battery on the back of the helmet that will power significantly for several hours a night vision goggle, as an example. And then we have this scalable power pack, which will add 6 more AA batteries and up to 8 hours of mission time for even the highest performing fused night vision goggles. And all of that can be just snapped onto the back of the helmet by one hand, and they can pull it off and snap it back on without ever losing power to their systems. So very important. It does, and we're always looking for the advanced technology and materials for the helmet and manufacturing processes. We continue to invest in all of our foundries in Newport, Vermont, and some of our partnerships around the world, and we're pulling grams out of helmets every chance we get with design, new manufacturing processes, and new material to compensate for the fact that you're going to have more capability on the soldier. And in the end, Galvion is really moving from a head protection, power and data systems company to truly a soldier integration company and a soldier integration systems provider for our warfighter. Oh, sure. Quality and services for Galvion. We take pride in being, right now, the most recognized, highest performing helmet in Europe. And we do the same with our power and data systems. We want to make sure whatever they're going to put on, wear, or carry, the look, the feel, the performance is everything that we can get out of it. And we get so much user feedback while we're designing the product. So we know when we put it in the hands of the warfighter, that product is going to perform, but it's also going to look and feel exactly like the warfighter wants it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Alan. My name is Francis. I'm the president of Quaze Technologies. And what we do at Quaze is we're the home of wide area wireless power transfer technology. So our technology can recharge anything, anywhere, in the most hostile environments. Now, here with Galvion at Eurosatory, what we're introducing is the Battle Charge. Battle Charge is a product driven by Galvion using our core technology at Quaze. In the dismounted soldier world, accessing energy is a very important part. So what we're presenting here is a system that seamlessly transfers energy to a dismounted soldier while sitting in a vehicle. So we're removing the physical interface, and we're assuring that the soldier is fully charged when he's about to go on a mission. So what you're seeing here on the wall is the wireless transmitting antenna, which is pushing energy to a dismounted soldier. You can imagine this as being the back of a vehicle seat. Now, when a dismounted soldier is sitting on the seat, what it does is it's transferring energy to the soldier system seamlessly. No physical interface, no connectors, not even a movement from the soldier having to think about the process of recharging. You sit, you get access to power. As you can see right now on the battery, it's blinking, showing that the power transfer is happening and the system is recharging the soldier. The uniqueness of the technology that makes it very different from what we have in our iPhones today and our smartphones, it's the ability to do wide area wireless power transfer. So we're removing the need for precision alignment between transmitter and receiver. The other thing that we also do is, regardless if there's obstacle between the receiver, the transmitter and the receiver, the power transfer happens. So not only are we making sure that the soldiers are fully charged, we're also making sure they don't have to think about it, and when they go to work, they have all the power that they need. This is the second time we're showing the technology. The first time was at another trade show. Our reason for being here now, it's validating that this is solving important problems for the market, and then after that, we're going to move into production, and once we get the validations, so pricing and timelines are going to come very shortly. We're a Canadian-based company. You can also look at our website, quazetech.com. And of course, you can connect with our friends at Galvion to know more about the battle charge solution.